I first went to Mongolia to lead a National Geographic photo expedition, and I fell in love with the place. So I've continued to go back, and I'm going back basically to shoot my own stock. With these stock images, I could do whatever I want, which is terrific. I've had a number of shows on Mongolia, and I've sold a number of Mongolian images as prints and to publications. So I have a lot of freedom. It's a lot of fun having that freedom. On Ira Block, I've been working as a photographer for National Geographic for over 30 years. I'm also a Sony Artisan of Imagery. I live in New York City, but I travel the world quite extensively. My wife doesn't really think I live in New York City because I'm not here that often. I love traveling. It gives me an opportunity to shoot incredible pictures of different cultures. Recently, I've made a number of trips to Mongolia. And one of my favorite pieces of equipment when I'm working in a place like Mongolia is a 24-70 f4 lens. I really like working with the 24-70. It's a small lens on a small camera, the A7R II. And when you're working with people in a foreign country, they're not intimidated by having a lens like that in front of them. Sometimes you'll walk into a situation with a bigger lens and a bigger camera, and people just don't feel as comfortable. Also, 24-70 is a really good length for me. I like doing environmental portraits of people, say at somewhere 28 to 30 millimeters, where I can get close to them, have their head fairly large in the image, and then the background will spread out to show their environment. And if you really want to get closer, it's a quick zoom to 70 millimeters. When I'm in Mongolia, it's a big place and I'm traveling quite a bit. I'm either in jeeps or sometimes in small airplanes, and the 24-70 being a small lightweight lens is easy to carry around. And after a long day, I like the fact that I haven't been dragging a heavy lens around with me. One of the reasons why I like shooting in Mongolia is that the people in the country are so authentic. 30 to 40% of the people are still nomadic. They move around in their tents, which are called gers or yurts, and they just follow their animals. And there aren't many places left on Earth where you can experience that. Shooting there for me gives me access to this lifestyle that's pretty much non-existent anymore.